What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing alright, and today we're gonna be watching our favorite and very satisfying instant karma moments. So hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and without any further ado, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now. Alrighty, let's see what's in store for us today. Power! That cop is flying. He was like, you know what the solution is, mate? Speed and power. And you know what? He's goddamn right. But anyways, let's see here. You are a little bit too close, mate. Come on, bugger off. That's BMW's job, not yours, so stop sniffing his ass. Oh, dear me. Well, they've given him a chance, so fair play, fair play. He had plenty of time to back off, but he didn't, so you get what you get. It is what it is. Let's see. Alright, boss, sure thing, we'll slow down, no problems. Actually, that hand gesture reminds me of certain things, you know. Let's say that van has some indicators made in Germany, you know. But we're not gonna go too far today. So let's leave it at that and get back to the actual video. That van is pushing his luck. Or maybe he's like, okay boys, I'm gonna take one for the team. I'll distract them and you run. Oh, someone's coming. No, miss. What the heck is that? Ooh, that's a BMW, so that explains most of it. Not everything, but most of it. That was a stolen car, guys. And those thieves received some karma right there on the spot. And as you can see, this is a family car. If you know, you know. It looks like someone is refusing to stop. They're like, sorry officer, I can't hear you because all of my horses under the hood. Let's see how this will unfold. Looks like he stopped. Or maybe not. He was like, I'm gonna stop, or am I? No, seriously, I don't know why people are running from the police, because it's pointless. They're gonna find you sooner or later, so yeah. Now let's get back to the action, and it looks like we are catching up to our main character of this story. And booyah! You got whacked! We whacked your freedom out of you. And that was the end of that, I believe. Yep. On to the next one. Let's see here. Speed and power! Looks like we have another person who believes in it. But the 5-0 does too, so good luck out there. Oh, they're not even hiding, bro. This is so arrogant. You got nicked, sunshine. Oh, this is interesting. To the left now, y'all. One step this time. To the right now, y'all. That cop is on some drugs, or he's trying to slow down everyone, I don't know. Everybody is like, can we finally go? Is this show over? And the cop is like, no, I've got another one for you. Look at me now, I'm gonna do some new moves called I'm gonna pull you over and write you a ticket. So don't try me, boy. He probably thought he delivered the message, but everybody was like, oh, it's time to go. So he had to do this all over again. But anyways, moving on. This is a cop car in front of us.
Really gonna do this in front of a cop?
Yep, he will. He definitely will. Never underestimate the stupidity of some people. He went straight from the only right lane. And whoop whoop! Congrats, you played yourself. Some people are like, I don't know how to describe them. It's they're unbelievable. Like, what did you expect? To pretend they're blind and didn't see you, or what? I don't know. Oh. Here we have another genius. Oh, this was epic. That reaction is epic, actually. Oh, here's a mean beamer trying to not crash, I guess. Come on, power! Whee! And away we go. Denied. Well, he made some cool donuts, I'll give him that. Oh, hello there, Porsche. This is an electric one, I think. Oh, he saw the 5-0, but it was too late. He definitely saw them. Well, it is what it is, bro. Just say, I'm terribly sorry, officer. I know I was doing 100, but it felt like a 30. Give me in the comments, guys, your best excuses for speeding. I would love to hear them. It's gonna be hilarious. And this guy's like, yeah, in my world the red doesn't exist. It's a myth. But the 5-0 disagrees, obviously. Alright then, let's see here. They're gonna probably have another red light runner. Yep, there we go. And the 5-0 is quickly on the case. Let's see what is going on here. I see the Pope on the left. He's got his lights on, but I don't see why. Maybe that truck was speeding a little bit, but nothing too crazy, so we'll give him a pass. Whoa, take it easy, cowboy. Overtaking like that, it's never a good idea. Over the double solids. And now the moment we've been waiting for. Wait for it, there we go. You got busted, bro. It never gets old, honestly. Oh, that dude was calling ass. I don't think he can get away with this. I don't. But maybe if the cop was in a good mood, who knows? What was that beep beep? Was that a good job, officer, or hang in there, buddy? Don't let him break you. I guess we'll never know. Oh, you cheeky little sausage. That was a 900 IQ play right there. He blew a red in front of a cop. That is amazing. If you want to get a ticket, of course. But anyways, let's see here. What is going on here? That truck got pulled over for what? I once again missed the action, of course. It looks to me he got carried away a little bit with the speed limit, but nothing real crazy. And this guy here is like, oh look, an empty lane only for me. Nice. That's neat for sure. And the cop is like, I only have one question for you, sir. Why are you such a dingleberry? Please explain. Oh, that's a lot of heat. That's a lot of heat. Never stand in between the donuts and the whole police department. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very satisfying video, full of instant karma moments, of course. And also, please whack that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment as well. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, just don't do it in front of the 5-0, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Ciao, ciao. And stay awesome.